In this video I'm going to show you how to export a video in Davinci Resolve. So first of all, open Davinci Resolve and go to your project. So as you can see, I have a timeline with a video and I want to export this video. So to achieve that, you go to this button over here, which is deliver, and then you will see this screen. And now you can choose if you want to export your entire timeline, so the whole video, or you can choose parts of the video, so in and out range. So if I select a part of the timeline here and I press the I button, you will see that it starts exporting from here. If I select this part and I press the O button, then it will make the clip shorter. So now I only will get the export of this part. So you see, I, O. So that's how you can make it shorter, or a particular part of your video. I want to export the entire timeline, so I choose that one. And then we go to the upper left and you will see custom export. There are also different types that you can choose. So YouTube, for example, Vimeo or Twitter. We are going for a custom export in this case. So we call it a demo video and you choose a location. So, okay, Davinci Resolve is okay. And now you can select if it's a video or audio. You will see different settings, a file maybe, but we choose video. And make sure that this box is checked. So we want to export this video. Now you need to choose the format. So most of the time I use MP4, but you can also choose a different type if you want, QuickTime for example. Or, but I choose MP4. H.264 is okay for now. We leave all these as they are. And here you can choose your resolution. So most of the time I choose HD for my videos. But you can also choose Ultra HD, 4K for example. It's up to you which one you choose, but I choose 1920 x 1080. And then we go to the quality. So sometimes it's automatically on automatic, but we want to choose restrict to. So if you choose Full HD, you can go with 10,000. That's okay. If you've got a video of 2K, you can go to, let's say 20,000 KB per second, for example. Or if you have a 4K video, you can choose around 40,000. So that way you will get a higher quality video. Okay, now we go to the other settings. You can leave them as they are. There are even more settings over here, but we can leave them as they are. And then when you're done with all the settings, you select add to render queue, and now you will see that the video appears over here, so at the right top. So you can add more videos to your render queue. So if you have more videos that you want to render at the same time, you can all go through these settings and then add them to the list and then render all the videos at once. But you can also choose to render this video, so we are going to select render all. And now you see that the video is rendering and it's already done. It's a short video, so what you can do is right click on this job and you can select review in Finder in my case. And then I move a screen so you can guys see it. You will see that the video has been placed within this folder. So now if I open it, let me drag that one also to here, to the screen. And if I play it, you will see that the video has been exported. So that's how you can export a video in Davinci Resolve. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was the case, please leave a like and I see you in the next video.